Welcome back to Geospatial community. Today we'll learn the process and the concept of the layer stacking in ERADAS IMAGINE environment. So first of all, you have to know what is the layer stacking. So layer stacking is the process of combining multiple separate bands in order to produce a new multi-band image. So let's move towards the two major issues regarding layer stacking. The first one is the order of the layer. It is very important point in the layer stacking process. The layers you want to stack should have some records of their order. It means, for example, in Landsat 7 I used this type of the combination as band 1 as layer 1 and band 2 as layer 2, band 3 as layer 3, band 4 as layer 4 and band 5 as layer 5 and band 7 as layer 6. This is the blue, green, red, near infrared, shortwave infrared 1 and shortwave infrared 2. So I have an other combination of the layer stacking, this one, where I stack the image in these combinations as band 1 as layer 1, band 3 as layer 2, band 5 as layer 3, band 2 as layer 4 and band 4 as layer 5 and band 7 as layer 6. I have the two sets of the layer stacking, as one this and the other this. So if you don't know about the order of the bands which you have stacked, you are unable to predict the order of the band by applying the different band combination. For example, I apply the band combination of 432 on both of these sets. So what happen? It will pick the band number 4 as layer 4, band number 3 as layer 3 and band number 2 as layer 2. But we see this. Here is a layer number 4 into band number 2, layer number 3 as band number 5 and layer number 2 as band number 3. So it's compulsory to have some record of their order which you have stacked. Otherwise you are unable to predict the order of the bands by applying different band combinations. The next one is the stacking of the same spatial resolution. So this is there is no problem to stack different spatial resolution, but it will be stacked on the high spatial resolution. It means, for example, I have a pixel of 30 by 30 of Landsat 8 and 50 by 15 meter of Landsat 8 of panchromatic, and this is the multispectral band. So what happened when I stack the both? It will be stacked on the high spatial resolution. It means that this pixel will be converted into the 4 small pixels of 15 by 15 meters. So what happened to this? So what happened? The pixel of the 30 meter is divided into the 4 pixels of the 15 meter of same radiometric value. So when you stack the different spatial resolution bands, so it will leads to increase the file size of the 4 time, and also the most of the analysis in the field of the image processing and remote sensing is based on the neighborhood. By doing this, the neighborhood has been changed. One pixel has neighborhood itself. So these are the main issues regarding the layer stacking. You must have their concepts about the order of the layers and the stacking of the same spatial resolution before going to the practical work. Now let's move towards the practical performance of the layer stacking in ERADAS IMAGINE. For that purpose you have to go to raster and then spectral and click on layer stacking. Here you have to add your data. I have I have a imagery of Landsat 8 which is downloaded from Earth Explorer. You have to change the format into TIFF. I want to stack the band 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 as band 2 as layer 1, band 3 as layer 2, band 4 as layer 3 and so on. So for that I select the band 2 and OK and click on add. This is the band 2. Then select the band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6 and last one is band 7. Give the output of band 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And click on OK. You can also change its format to TIFF to Imagine Image IMG format and click on OK and press OK button. It will take time. The process has been completed and click on close. Let's open the file. So this is our image. So in this way you can stack your bands like this. You can also change its band combination from this is the true color combination and furthermore. So in this way you can stack your layers. Hope so you liked that video. If you get any kind of information from this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.